Okay, so we look at number 10, and we start by noticing that the cosine is positive, and our theta value has to be between 0 and 180. And so if we think about a unit circle or a on the coordinate grid like this, we know that cosine is positive when the x values are positive, so in quadrants 1 and quadrant 4. So that means theta must be between 0 and 90 because it must be in quadrant 1. It can't be in quadrant 2 or 3. So we know that we're going to look like this. The one way, you can either do this as a unit circle or you can do it where you just have a radius 5. It doesn't matter which one you do. I'm going to do it with your 5. So cosine, if you remember, is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. And so if this is theta, then this would be 2 and this would be 5. And so the coordinates of our point would be x is 2, and then we need to find out what the y value is. And we just do the Pythagorean theorem to do that. 2 squared plus y squared equals 5 squared. So y squared equals 21. And so it's just going to be square root of 21. And so now we go through, remember that sine is y over r, tangent is y over x, secant is the reciprocal of cosine, so it's r over x, or just the reciprocal of cosine. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so it is r over y, and cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, so it's x over y. So sine, y over r, so root 21 over 5. Tangent, y over x, so root 21 over 2. Secant is just going to be the reciprocal of cosine, and so it's going to be 5 over 2. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Well, that's going to be 5 over root 21. Well, but when you rationalize the denominator, that gives you 5 root 21 over 21. And then cotangent is just the reciprocal of tangent, so it's going to be the same thing as this. It's just going to be 2 over root 21. So when you take root 21, you get 2 root 21 over 21.